welcome to my YouTube channel Hindustan Times. Today, we're not just talking about a car, we're revisiting a legend, a machine that once ruled the roads with grace and power, and now returns, fully restored, under the spotlight of a luxury showroom, presenting the timeless and unforgettable 1960 Safari Station Wagon, a vintage marvel that carries the soul of an era where automobiles were built with character, emotion, and purpose. As the camera pans across the pristine marble floor, the soft lighting gently dances off the body of the Safari Wagon, now shining like a jewel in this elegant, modern-day sanctuary for machines. The two-tone paint job rich in nostalgic glimmers with pride. The chrome lines, polished to perfection, highlight the artistry that went into every inch of its bodywork. At the front, the wide, horizontal grille framed with twin headlights announces its arrival like a celebrity from another century. The badge on the hood, the flowing bonnet, the chrome that wraps around the bumper, each element feels like poetry carved into metal. This isn't just vintage, it's visual storytelling on four wheels. From the side, its silhouette tells a tale of journeys, picnics, and family vacations from a different time. The extended body, large windows, and subtle curves reflect a balance between function and beauty. The gleaming wheel arches house authentic white wall tires, while the classic hubcaps reflect the light with every angle. It's pure elegance without trying hard, is something modern machines often forget. Inside, the cabin is an emotional masterpiece. Long bench seats, soft to the touch and color coordinated with the exterior, transport you to a simpler, slower world. The dashboard is a metallic canvas, analog clocks, chrome switches, and that iconic steering wheel with a horn ring that feels like it was meant to be held for hours. No digital distractions, no flashing screens, just mechanical harmony and thoughtful simplicity. Even the small things have a presence: the metal ashtrays, the crank handles for the windows, the textured vinyl on the doors. These are reminders that machines once had personality. They weren't just built, they were crafted. Move to the rear, and you'll find the legendary tailgate, a feature that helped define the station wagon identity. The rear lights, long and low, glow softly under the warm lights, while the chrome bumper stands like a polished guard of the past. Open the back, and you see the spacious cargo bay, once filled with luggage, now filled with legacy. But what truly makes this 1960 Safari Station Wagon special today is the contrast it offers. In a world moving fast, this machine asks you to pause. In a world that values minimalism, this wagon shows that detail still matters. In a world driven by technology, this car is powered by memory. It doesn't need a V8 roar to make a statement, it makes one just by standing still. Under this showroom's soft lighting and quiet luxury, it doesn't just shine, it glows. The Safari isn't here to compete, it's here to remind us of what we've left behind. This is more than a vehicle, it's a reflection of time. A beautiful blend of utility and art, preserved with love and presented with pride. Thank you for joining us today on Hindustan Times, where we don't just talk about machines, we honor them. If you believe in celebrating classics, if you admire machines that tell stories, and if you feel the pulse of history and design, then this channel is for you. Subscribe to Hindustan Times for more such timeless stories, showroom marvels, and emotional rides through the machines that shaped generations. We're not just building views, we're building memory lanes. Only on Hindustan Times.